Getting married is one of the most emotional and meaningful decisions in life. But when immigration is involved, happiness often mixes with fear, confusion, and uncertainty. Many couples feel lost when they hear words like USCIS petitions, interviews, and green cards. A small mistake can cause long delays or painful separation. In this video, I will walk you through the entire USCIS marriage visa process for 2026 in clear, simple English, so you can move forward with confidence and peace of mind. For thousands of families every year, a marriage visa is the key to building a life together in the United States. Yet many applications are delayed or denied, not because the marriage is fake, but because the process was misunderstood. The system can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners and seniors who are unfamiliar with legal paperwork. The truth is, when you understand the steps and prepare carefully, the process becomes much easier to manage. A marriage-based visa allows a foreign spouse to live permanently in the United States with their husband or wife. The U.S. government wants to be sure that the marriage is real and not entered into only for immigration benefits. Because of this, USCIS looks very closely at every application. In 2026, officers continue to focus on accuracy, honesty, and strong evidence of a real relationship. There are two main situations for married couples. One situation is when the foreign spouse is living outside the United States. In this case, the process is handled through a U.S. embassy or consulate in the foreign spouse's home country. The second situation is when the foreign spouse is already inside the United States legally. In that case, they may apply for a green card without leaving the country. While the final goal is the same, the steps are different, and knowing which path applies to you is very important. If you are married to a U.S. citizen, your case usually moves faster. U.S. citizens can sponsor their spouses without waiting for a visa number. If you are married to a lawful permanent resident, also called a green card holder, there may be waiting periods depending on visa availability. Many people do not realize this difference and become frustrated by delays. Understanding this early helps manage expectations. The first major step in almost all marriage visa cases is filing a form called the Petition for Alien Relative. This form officially tells USCIS that a real marriage exists and that the U.S. spouse wants to sponsor their partner. Along with this form, you must provide evidence that your relationship is genuine. This part of the process is extremely important. Evidence of a real marriage can include wedding photographs, joint bank accounts, shared leases or mortgage documents, insurance policies showing both names, tax returns filed together, travel records, phone records, and letters from friends or family who know your relationship well. In 2026, USCIS carefully reviews these documents. Weak or missing evidence often leads to delays or requests for more proof. Once USCIS receives the petition, they review it carefully. This review can take several months or longer, depending on workload and location. Many couples become anxious during this waiting period, but delays do not mean denial. Most cases simply require patience. Submitting a complete and well-prepared application from the start helps avoid unnecessary delays. If the foreign spouse is outside the United States, the approved petition is sent to the National Visa Center. This center collects additional fees and documents before scheduling the embassy interview. One of the most important requirements at this stage is proving financial support. The U.S. spouse must show they earn enough income to support their partner, so the government knows the immigrant will not depend on public assistance. This financial promise is made through a document known as the Affidavit of Support. In 2026, income requirements are strictly enforced. If the sponsor does not meet the income level, a joint sponsor may be needed. Many cases are delayed because this form is filled out incorrectly or supporting documents are missing. Careful attention here can save months of waiting. After the National Visa Center approves the documents, the foreign spouse is scheduled for an interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate. This interview is often the most stressful part of the process. The officer will ask questions about how the couple met, their daily routines, family members, and future plans. These questions are meant to confirm the marriage is real. Honesty during the interview is essential. Officers are trained to notice inconsistencies. Nervousness is normal, especially for seniors or first-time applicants, but truthful answers matter far more than perfect English or confident speaking. If the officer is satisfied, the visa is approved, and the spouse can travel to the United States. If the foreign spouse is already in the United States, the process is called adjustment of status. This allows the spouse to apply for a green card without leaving the country. Several forms are filed together, including the petition and the application for permanent residence. Many couples prefer this option because it allows them to stay together while waiting. During this waiting period, the foreign spouse may apply for permission to work and permission to travel. In 2026, these benefits are very helpful, but rules must be followed carefully. Traveling outside the United States without approval can cancel the application. Many people make this mistake because they do not understand the rules, so careful attention is important. An in-person interview is usually required for adjustment of status cases. Both spouses attend together. The officer may ask similar questions as in consular interviews, focusing on daily life and shared responsibilities. Couples should answer naturally and honestly. Memorized answers can create suspicion, while genuine responses build trust. One common fear among couples is denial. In genuine cases, denials usually happen because of missing documents, incorrect forms, previous immigration violations, or failure to prove a real marriage. In 2026, USCIS uses more digital tools and data sharing, making honesty more important than ever. Even small misstatements can cause serious problems. Seniors often worry that age differences or late marriages may cause denial. Age difference alone does not result in rejection. What matters is evidence of a real relationship. Many older couples successfully receive marriage visas every year. USCIS is not judging love, only honesty and legality. Processing times in 2026 can change due to policy updates and application volume. Staying informed helps, but panic is unnecessary. Long waits do not mean failure. Checking case status regularly and responding quickly to any requests helps keep the process moving. Some cases benefit greatly from legal help, especially those involving past visa overstays, criminal history, or previous denials. While many couples handle straightforward cases on their own, knowing when to seek professional advice can prevent serious mistakes. Marriage-based immigration is about family unity. The system may feel slow, but it exists to protect both the country and genuine couples. When approached with patience, preparation, and honesty, it becomes manageable. If you plan to apply in 2026, start early, organize documents carefully, and never rush paperwork. Every form, signature, and document matters. Taking time now can save years later. This guide is designed to give you clarity and confidence. Laws may change, but honesty, preparation, and commitment remain the keys to success. Your marriage deserves stability, and your future deserves understanding. If this video helped you, please support USAF, AMIL, YLAW by liking, sharing, and subscribing. We are here to explain complex laws in simple language, so families can move forward without fear or confusion.